Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to replace the hood light assembly, the harness that's inside here. You're going to go ahead and remove your warming rack, get it out of the way, and remove your cooking grids. Make sure you go ahead and take this off, slide it over. It's probably going to fall off when you do that. Go around the back of the grill. On a cart model, you're going to have these screws here. You'll take those off. You won't have those on a built-in. We loosened these up already, so just in case you weren't doing it so fast. And you're going to go ahead and lift up, and it's going to slide down out of here. Just remember, this goes up inside there. Set it aside. This way exposes your wires for the hood light. That's them right there, built in. You're going to slide it forward so you can get to the back side. And when you get to the back side, you're going to go ahead and you'll see these same kind of wires inside the back once you slide it forward. Next thing, you're going to go ahead and remove these 3 screws on the back. That's what's going to hold the rotisserie burner in. Alright, once you do that, I'm going to go around the front. Okay, next thing, you're going to have these screws right here. You're going to go ahead and loosen them up. It will either fall down like this, or it may kind of be stuck up there, so you just got to go ahead and, if it's stuck in there, it's going to be like this position here. You push that way towards the back and then let it come down. And there's your harness right here. There's a screw right here. You see the back side of it. You'll come up and you're going to go ahead and loosen it up right here. First of all, take the glass off, push to the left, pull down. And you got the screw right here. You'll loosen up the screw, and on both lights you do the same thing. And it will come down out of the housing, will come down. Next thing you're going to be doing is, if you look at the housing itself, you'll take it, slide it to the right there. You're going to turn it at an angle, and there's this little clip right there. You know, kind of push on that and get it to feed up into there first, and then once you do that, you'll be able to slide this right out. You do the same on the other one over here. Okay. When you get to the back here, take the clip, you'll bend it up, and you'll separate the connection there, and that's going to be pushed through. There's a little hole in here. You can kind of look and see there's a hole right up in there. You're going to push it up through there, like so. I just push it up with my finger until I can feel it kind of go into the hole, and then that's good enough to get you started. Then you go around the front. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and grab the harness here. You're going to pull it through. You can see the hole in the back left corner. There's a little notch out, so you'll be able to pull this out of there. Kind of lift up a little bit on it. If you get hung up or anything, just go check and see if it's on the other side. And there's the end of it. And putting the new light in, you got that little, same thing, you reverse the process about getting that in there. So you'll get it started, kind of pull it back, get it down inside like so, clear the edge. Then you're going to turn it and get those little notches there up in the area like that. And you'll be able to slide it over, line up the hole, and then you're going to go put your screw back in the other side right here. It'll come out that way. All right, and then you take the end of your harness here, bend it at a little bit of an angle. It's kind of stiff wire, so you can get in a downward position here. Get it in the corner, feed that in there as far as you can. Once you get it fed in there, you got to reach around the other side there and grab it out of there. All right, let's go around the back. All right, so now that you pass the harness through from the other side, you're going to take this little inspection plate off here. Looks like that, just slides on there. And you're going to be able to look inside there. You look for the white looking clip. You can kind of see it. You'll grab that like so, and then you're going to feed it down into the hole that's inside here. Pull it out like that and make your connection. You got it all done. Make sure your wires are out of the way when you tuck them back in. Don't let any wires touch the inner fireboxes. It will melt them. Now go ahead and you're going to put the back panel back on. Just make sure you go, these little notches go inside and go upward. And then get yourself a screw and get it started. And that's how you'll put the back panel back on. Now you've got your harness all in place. You're going to lift up on this, bring it up to the top. You're going to put your hand behind this and bring this back. And when you bring it back, you're going to kind of push upward and keep some pressure on that, and then slide it back like that. This panel will go all the way almost flush against that. You'll see the screw holes, and then go ahead and put your screw into the hole and start tightening up. Okay, once you put the screws in the front, you come around the back. You'll see the holes right there. You'll go ahead and get started. They might be a slight bit off, but you'll be able to get the screw in there and just start screwing them in.